Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 6th of July, and now let's look at what is buzzing. I have selected stock, and the stock we'll be talking about today is Amazon. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 243 articles towards it. And in the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive, and the subjectivity is currently loading. However, if it's closer to zero, that means people are being more rational, and vice versa. So currently it's 40%, which is more on the rational side. In trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may rise by 6.92%, which is a lot for stock. Going into the chart on top, they're saying short term, the upside prevails as long as 3358 is a support. Again, this is a daily chart, so we can see the current price is above the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also on top of this expanding Bollinger Band. And obviously, it's on top of the pivot point of 3358 as well. Now, let's look at the RSI. So, RSI is above the neutral area of 50, and the MACD is also above its signal line and positive. So the complete configuration are all positive. Below, it's a series of supports and resistances, and I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to press the like button, and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook, YouTube. Until then, I will see you tomorrow, and have a happy trading day. Bye.